Got a brand new iPhone and want to move all your WhatsApp messages, photos, and chats from the old one? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp data to your new iPhone. Step by step, fast and easy. Let's get started. First, let's start with two official methods. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on both iPhones and connected to Wi-Fi. On your old iPhone, open WhatsApp and head to Settings, tap Chats, tap Transfer Chats to iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions. When you set up WhatsApp on your new iPhone, you'll be prompted with a Transfer Chats option. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you're done. It's that easy. The second method is to open WhatsApp, tap Settings, tap Chats, tap Chat Backup, then tap Backup Now. Once that's done, set up WhatsApp on your new iPhone, sign in with the same number, and choose Restore Chat History when prompted. This works well, but only if you have enough iCloud space and a stable internet connection. What if your iCloud storage is full, or your backup just won't load? That's where a desktop tool like MagFone Chats Transfer comes in handy. It lets you transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to iPhone directly, without relying on iCloud or losing data. You can move everything, such as messages, photos, videos, voice notes, and attachments, in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Connect both iPhones to your computer, launch MagFone Chats Transfer, choose WhatsApp, and choose the transfer option. Click the Start button to begin transferring. The software automatically copies your entire WhatsApp history to the new iPhone, safely and quickly. You can even back up WhatsApp on your computer anytime or export chats if you want to save them separately. And that's it. All your WhatsApp messages, images, and videos are now on your new iPhone. No iCloud limits, no data loss, no stress. Move, back up, and restore WhatsApp with just one click.